Good morning, my name is Glenn and welcome to Shorty's Garage. So, today we have my wife doing a walk around of her Volkswagen T25 Project. Now, this is new for my wife. She's not very comfortable speaking on camera, but she's made the effort and she will hopefully be joining us more often. So, little message from me, please show support, comment below. Any questions you would like her to answer, then please, down below, and we'll get her to answer some of those questions. Obviously, there's a lot to do mechanical and welding wise. I will be there to help her with that once old Doris is running. But any support would be brilliant. Get her feeling more comfortable doing it, and then there'll be a lot more of her on the channel. So, yeah, just a little message from me. See what you think. Yeah, she's come a long way with it, and I will see you all soon working on the Morris.
Here's project number 2 of Volkswagen T25. We've had it since the beginning of March. I've been busy working in the background, getting a lot of the work done, like obviously sanding it down in preparation to paint it. Then obviously I've painted it. It wasn't originally in grey primer. Previous owner didn't do the work needed, so the paint obviously just was flaking away. As you can see, there's black dashes all over it and black marks. It's all intentional of going for a cartoon, trying to do something a little bit different. Done the grills in white so they can stand out and obviously kind of break it up a little bit. I've done the roof in black, but that's going to need another go over because the overspray on the orange paint was just so bad. You can probably see it. It's all over the roof. So yeah, I'm going to have to get that another rub down and obviously another spray. I've still got to finish the driver's side. It's painted orange, but I haven't done cartoon effects yet. Fortunately, there's a few bits of paint flaking away. Again, down to the previous owner not doing the prep work, and the way I've rubbed it all down, it still seems to be a few bits flaking off here and there. At some point I have to take the windows out and just do around the edges, and also because a lot of the sills are shrunk. As you can see, there's quite a few big gaps around them, so we do have some leaks, but nothing like major. And if we open it up, I've been busy on the inside as well. I've sprayed the inside of the doors, and the door shuts themselves black, so you got a nice kind of contrast between the black and the orange, and just because the black stone chip is a bit harder wearing, so they're slightly to scratch, and again, just wanted to do something different. I've done the door cards, got some wood, and I cut it all out using templates because a lot of the wood was past it. That's a tapestry that I got off Amazon. I've done the same on both sides. And then I have fully insulated and carpeted the inside, obviously using the white thermaroll and the silver roll insulation, and I've placed some sound deadening in it as well throughout. I've carpeted obviously up to the roof. I've carpeted where the engine hatch is, but you can't really see it at the minute because it's fill up. You can see some of it. Done the actual hatch as well, just to make it a bit quieter and obviously just look a bit warmer as well. These seats are out of a Smart 4.2. We're going to have them in the front, a bit more comfortable than the standard ones, a bit higher up in the back, and yeah, just overall a lot more comfortable. Need to decide what we're going to do on the roof. Haven't fully decided on that bit yet. Same as the floor, still got to do that. Not sure on what we're going to do yet. Probably carpet tiles and then a rug on the top just to protect it. My daughter's obviously having a bit of fun drawing on the wood before we put whatever flooring we choose down. Managed to pick up a rock and roll bed as well, full width, which I'll recarpet at the bottom black to obviously match, and then we just need to get the foam to make the actual bed of it. I'm quite lucky as well, we've got a sunroof, so a little bit extra. Again, we just need to do something with the roof there, but looking at options still, because being that it's a sunroof, I've got to work around that as well. And I've got to do the cab, which is probably next on the list, which get that rubber matting out, and then obviously treat what we need to treat, which I have just found a hole. So obviously deal with that hole and then rub it all down, clean it all. Then I'll probably spray it in stone chips, so again it's all protected. And then I think I'll probably carpet around the seat bases. And obviously to put the rubber matting back down. We are going to take the dash out just to check all the wiring, because obviously over the years many people try their wiring and it becomes a bit unsafe. So just for peace of mind, we're going to take it out, check it all behind there, and obviously clean it all. And then obviously then we refit the dash. But yeah, that's it kind of so far. Excuse the daughter. There'll be more videos as we go along. Obviously because we've got welding to do, units to build, the interior to do, so that's going to be where there's going to be more videos available, because it's obviously more interesting than watching somebody rub down and paint at the end of the day. But yeah, so watch this space.